Let's started working on the maximum total sub array, and last we implemented about discussed about this recursion part. So let's complete it, and let me let me analyze what we left out first, and then we can continue. Yes, uh, I understood one point here. Screen is visible clearly. Not So here we have all the steps mentioned. One is yes, we have the new function call. This is the new function call. This is the returning to the previous function. Okay, let's go line by line again. Okay. Line 1 executed, k equals to 0. Okay. Uh, we have two candies, k equals to selected is empty. Line 1, check if k equals to 0. Yes, it will check k equals to 0. When done, no, it's not done, k equals to 2. Then it is come to line 2. Length of the candies is 2 now, so range of 2. So it will start with I equals to 0, and then it will execute line 3, and it started adding candies. Candies of 0 will be added. Then selected candies of 0 it will pick, and it is added in the selected dot append. Then it will come to next line 4. Pick candies. Check I plus 1. It will start from I plus 1. So now I plus 1 is 1 now. 1 means it will pick this candy. and excluding last, and k minus 1 equals to 2 minus 1, that becomes 1. All pick candies, k equals to 1 selected. Yes, we called it again. When we called it, we will enter to the new function. So we need to remember that the step is reset here. Okay. So when we call this, now we have only one candy in step 5. Before step 5, k equals 1 selected is 1. Obviously this will fail, this will execute the same. Now two candidates are there. Again we will call, now k equals to 0. Now this will pass and it will print the blocks, return in the function. Obviously return to the function, return to the step 8. So when it will return to the step 8, because we left the function call there, then it will execute select pop, then it will uh, remove the one candy, and again here we have selected is this one candy is there. Then here it is saying that in line 2, for loop check for next iteration, where we were I at I equals to 0, is there I equals to 1. So here obviously after the pop, the selected have only one candy, correct? For loops checks for next iteration, we were at I equals to 0, is there I equals to 1? No, range of 1 only has 0, so no for loop ends. But till now we understood that candies is already empty, right? Candies pick candies sorry, candies array will already empty. Then how the loop will iterate? My doubt is this. Copy. Tell me, after completion of which step? After completion of step 12, I think. No. Yes. After completion of step 10, after completion of step 10, candies will be empty. Then how the range of 1 you will get? The key concept, each function call has its own variables. When we call a function with parameters, each call gets its own copy of these variables. They don't affect each other. Memory view. At step 5, second call starts. This second calls local variable. At step 8, make a third call. Candy is I plus 1, k minus 1 selected. So we create a new empty list. This passes to the third call, but second call Candice is still unchanged. Okay, back to second call. FTL 12 13, we back to the second call on paper. Okay, got it. So it is saying that we are creating each local copy of this array, Candies array, which have, so initially we have two Candies arrays, one copy of there. Then when we decrease one, that we have another copy, so it will not impact the third column when it is empty. So then we need to hold this. This is a note point. Note. Note. For example, to prove, test my list, original, uh, pass empty list to the function, original still 1 2 3. So original will not change anywhere. Here if you see 1 2 3, and we call the test and we find the we put the empty. So when we pass this also, original will still be 1 2 3. So pick Candies, k equals to 1. Candice parameter set to this, set at function start, never changes in this call. So call Candice, we call pick Candice, we pass empty, but our Candice stays the same, because obviously this is the previous one and previous state will not change. We are manually setting one empty, so it will not change the previous state of the parameter. Hmm. Back to second call, we will still found this, will never change. So for loop in second call, range of length of this is range of 1 equals to 0, or the point. So let's go back to here. I understood like how the function call works. So in step 12, it will goes back to the previous call, which we will find the candy is having already one value present, so whose range will be 1. So here at I equals to, there is no I equals to 1, and the loops will end. So what will happen here exactly? Range of I 1, range will be 0. Selected dot append of candies. No, wait, let me. So when we go back to the call, we have length equals to 1. So let's understood this line number 4. We return this gone, correct? Then we come back here. Already I equals to 0 done, right? And we executed. Now I equals to 1 and the length is also 1. So it will false. It will come out. Then it is saying that function returns no more code to execute, correct? Obviously this will be done and whole function will return. No more codes will be executed. Resume step 4. Resume step 4. Call candies happen and so here we call the candies pick candies and it is saying that when the loop will be come out, this function will be returned. Obviously no more things to execute. What I have, one confusion I have. So function returns no more code to execute. This line I want to understand what happened to this line. Did not stored this line. Look at the function. Okay. Good question. When a function iterates, it means the function finishes executing. Control goes back to the whoever called this function. Exists and end. After for loop and we are here. No more code below. Function automatically returns implicit. Pretty if we write return. Just end. Okay. Now here after the for loop and what happens? Any code? No. The function ends and return. To go back whoever called this function. Okay. Nothing after this. Okay, got it. Yes, there is no more code below and we go back to the previous step, first step. Okay, so now what happened? Now on step 14, after step 14 we are here. I understood, like we are here now. Left pick candies case left, original state. So here we are saying that we are resuming from step 4, the recursive call finished. why we are resuming from step 4. If we come out of the function, how come we again then resume from step 4? What is step 4? Step 4 is candies I plus 1. In which length of the candies below lines we will execute. We have one selected, selected.pop we will do. Bow,